Introducing the 2023 Nissan Kicks. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety, too. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.